Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe After Effects to denoise footage with best practices, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Adobe After Effects, first, open the Creative Cloud application. Locate the Apps tab in the sidebar. Scroll to find Adobe After Effects in your installed applications. If an update is available, you will see an Update button next to the application. Click on the Update button to begin downloading the latest version. Once the download is complete, the installation will start automatically. Wait for the installation to finish, as this may take a few minutes. Once finished, you can exit the Creative Cloud application. Next, launch Adobe After Effects. To denoise your footage, import your video by going to File and selecting Import. Choose File and navigate to the footage you want to denoise. Drag the imported footage to the timeline. Select the footage layer you want to work on. Go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Scroll to Noise and Grain and select Remove Grain. In the Effects control panel, you will see the Remove Grain effect applied to your layer. Adjust the result dropdown to either Use for Noise or Use for Noise and Blurring. Start with the noise settings. Increase the noise slider to see how it affects your footage. Use the sample point option to target specific areas of noise in your footage. You may want to adjust the reduce noise slider for optimal results. Next, fine-tune the enhance details settings to retain image quality. Preview your changes by playing the footage in the timeline. If necessary, adjust the settings until you're satisfied with the denoising. Once you are happy with the changes, render your footage for export. Go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue, choose your output settings. Finally, click the Render button to export your denoised footage. Your video is now ready with improved quality and reduced noise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.